Hi, if you're looking to get a job in Canada or outside of Canada and you're not optimizing your LinkedIn profile, you might be leaving a lot of job opportunities on the table. And the reason I say this is because LinkedIn is one of the most popular and common places to get job opportunities or for recruiters to find you. And the reason why I say this is because LinkedIn recruiters have a platform called LinkedIn Recruiters where they are able to put in keywords when they are looking for people to employ or people to partner with. And if your profile has those keywords, to pop up. But if it doesn't have those keywords, it will not pop up. LinkedIn is a great place to network, a great place to find business partners, and a great place to find great jobs. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile so that recruiters start finding you and you get that great job that you've been looking for. Make sure you stay till the end because there's lots of good things at the end of this video. So let's go. The first thing is that you must ensure that you have a high quality professional photograph in your LinkedIn profile. Make sure that your face is showing your portrait. It's professional. It doesn't have to be shirt, tie, and suit, but it should be something professional and that shows forth your brand. The second thing is a customized banner. Don't just use the banner that is there that you find on LinkedIn. Make sure you're making your own customized banner, putting your name, stuff like that, things that are unique about you. You don't have to hire a professional to do this for you. You can just go to canva.com and there are lots of templates there that you can use. Third thing, like I said before, make sure you're using keywords in your profile. So if you're a content creator, if you're a marketer, whatever you are, make sure that those keywords of who you are show up in all your profile. It should show up in your description, show up in your bio, show up in your name, show up everywhere so that when they are looking for content providers or content marketers or whatever, your profile also pops up. Number 4 thing is make sure you indicate that you're open to being hired or you're open to hiring. Yeah, that way recruiters can know that you are open to hiring or you yourself are hiring people. Number 5 thing is your contact information. I'm surprised at how so many LinkedIn profiles don't have any contact information apart from their LinkedIn profile. So make sure you put an email there. So if someone is trying to reach you, they can reach you. Make sure DM is open to everybody because a lot of these recruiters who are trying to hire are not connected to you. So if you block them off from DMing you, then they can't contact you. Number 6 is your experience. Make sure that you're including all your work experience that relates to the job that you're looking for. Don't just put the task that you perform. Put the accomplishments that you had at each job. In your education, also include all the education you've done that are relevant to the job you're looking for to your profile, and then brag about your accomplishments. Please, this is not the time to be modest. Brag about the things that you've accomplished at your job. If you have any licenses, certifications, any awards that you've won, you need to talk about it in your LinkedIn profile. Don't keep quiet. This is where you need to toot your horn so that when employers or recruiters look at your profile, they are happy to contact you. They want to work with you because of all the things that you have achieved. Also, make sure you're highlighting your skills, you're endorsing people, and you're also asking people to endorse you. This also shows that, you know, it gives you some kind of bragging rights because people are endorsing you. And then when you're on LinkedIn, don't just be there. Make sure that you're commenting on people's posts. Make sure that you're networking there. Make sure that you are also posting on your own profile. Talk about your experience, talk about your stories, share 1 or 2 information. Yeah, let them see that you have activity in your profile. And like I said before, LinkedIn is one of the best places to find jobs, to find connections, to even find businesses. I'm telling you, it's a gold mine. Whether you're in business or you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, whatever you are, make sure that you use all these tips that I've mentioned and go and optimize your LinkedIn profile today, and you will thank me later. If you gained any value from this, don't forget to like and share. And I also want you to remember that we also have a product called the Canada Japan Work Permit Handbook, which is perfect for anyone that is looking for a job. And we also show you samples of very good LinkedIn profiles there so that you can be able to model your own LinkedIn profile after that. If you want information about that, go check the link in my bio. You'll see how to get a job in Canada and work in Canada. Those principles work whether you're looking for a job in Canada or outside of Canada. So go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.